Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for anyone who relies on their Fujitsu ScanSnap S1500 or S1500M document scanner, the Marg USB cable cord lead replacement. This isn't just any generic cable. It's specifically engineered to provide a dependable connection, ensuring your scanner communicates flawlessly with your laptop or PC. When it comes to peripherals like document scanners, a stable and efficient data connection is paramount. The Marg USB cable steps up to this challenge with a design focused on reliability. The brand highlights its use of high-quality materials, which are crucial for maintaining data integrity and ensuring a consistent power flow, even though the specific mention of low-temperature charging and worldwide input voltage typically refers to power adapters. However, this emphasis on quality materials and design philosophy translates directly to a cable that facilitates a safe and stable connection, preventing common issues like data loss or intermittent connectivity. It's certified by FCC, CE, and RoHS, which speaks volumes about its adherence to safety and quality standards. This means users can expect a product that operates without noise, maintains a low operating temperature, and avoids hazards like spontaneous combustion or explosion, all contributing to a stable output for their devices. The specifications mention a worldwide input voltage range of 102.40 V 5060 Hz. While this is technically for a power supply, it underscores the robust design principles Marg applies to its products, ensuring this cable is compatible with a wide array of power sources and environments, making it a versatile choice for users globally. Its universal USB connector type and cable type mean it's not just limited to the Fujitsu scanner. It's also compatible with various laptops, PCs, and even tablets, offering broad utility. One of the most compelling aspects of the Marg USB cable is the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction. They offer a no-questions-asked full money-back guarantee, which provides immense peace of mind. Furthermore, for 3 years from the date of purchase, they will exchange the product free of charge should it become defective. This kind of extended warranty and responsive 24-hour customer service truly sets them apart, demonstrating confidence in their product's longevity and performance. Reliability is a cornerstone of this product. All of Marg's product lines undergo rigorous quality control procedures. This meticulous attention to detail ensures safe and reliable operation for years to come. The brand confidently guarantees that this replacement cord will charge and transfer data to your device as efficiently as the original cable, or any other high-quality replacement on the market. For anyone needing a dependable black USB cable to connect their Fujitsu ScanSnap S1500 or S1500M, this Marg offering presents itself as a robust and trustworthy solution, backed by strong customer support.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.